Fix Subnautica 2 error. DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. Part 1. Check your DirectX version. Press Windows R, type DX12 and press Enter. Check if DirectX 12 is installed under System Information. 2. Update Windows completely. Open Settings, Windows Update. Download all pending updates. Restart your PC after installation. Part 3. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA app, AMD Adrenalin, or Intel driver tool. Install the newest GPU drivers. Restart the system after updating. 4. Force the game to run in DirectX 11. Open Steam Subnautica 2 Properties. Add -DX11 in Launch Options. Start the game again. 5. Check GPU compatibility. Make sure your graphics card supports DirectX 12. Older GPUs may only support DirectX 11. Upgrade hardware if your GPU is unsupported. 6. Install latest DirectX runtime. Download DirectX end-user runtime from Microsoft. Install all required DirectX files. Restart your computer afterward. 7. Switch to dedicated GPU. Open NVIDIA Control Panel or Windows Graphics settings. Set Subnautica 2 to high-performance GPU. Avoid launching the game on integrated graphics. 8. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to Subnautica 2 Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 9. Disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner and recording software. Launch the game with minimal background apps. 10. Reinstall GPU drivers cleanly. Uninstall current graphics drivers completely. Install fresh drivers from official GPU website. Reboot PC and try launching the game again.